Hi there, I'm Firefighter Neil calling the San Jose Fire Department, here to share 4 quick tips to help you slow the spread of germs. Wash your hands often with soap and warm water, especially before eating and after using the restroom. Lather soap and scrub for at least 20 seconds before rinsing. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers with at least 60% alcohol are a good alternative. Remember to cough or sneeze into a tissue, sleeve, or arm, not your hands. Always wash your hands after using tissues. Avoid touching your face. Touching your eyes, nose, or mouth allows germs to enter your body. Lastly, if you have symptoms like coughing, sneezing, or a runny nose, please stay home. By following these simple tips, you can help prevent the spread of the flu and other viruses in the San Jose community.